So here we have a smoked LED side repeater set. This is also LED, this is static flashing. Now this fits quite a number of different Ford models, which mainly includes your Fiesta MK6 and your Focus MK2. So we'll get these opened up and we'll have a closer look. So these are fully road legal, they are E-marked and they're also MOT compliant. They are really easy to fit. They just plug directly into the plug on the car from the side repeater loom, and then they just literally push and click straight into the wings. So now the protective film's off, let's have a closer look. So as you can see, these are really nice smoked finish. They're powered by 3 bright amber LEDs, and then this just pushes into the bulb holder on the car. It's just mimicking a capless bulb end. So what I'll quickly do is just grab a 12 volt feed and we'll illuminate these just to illustrate how they will look.